Glow up without chemicals. Vanilla baby secrets inside. You're at the right place. Grab a healthy snack, get cozy and sit back and watch the tips that might change your life. Want, but you have. No worries, no boring tips, and no genetic annoyance. Just simple glow-up secrets anyone can try. Face water dip every morning. Even Hailey Bieber does it. Girly get up, don't be lazy. Ice water face dip in the morning for glowing skin. It reduces puffiness and wakes up your skin instantly. Don't change your whole look, just upgrade yourself. Try this instant coffee and honey face mask, might change your face forever. You all might think this is fake, but please try the rice water rinse, not that hard drip, for 2 weeks and see unimaginable results. Lemon water trick. Quick challenge for my vanilla babies. Try this tips for 7 days and see if your glow changes. Simple aura glow tip. Fix your posture, shoulders back, chin up. Instantly makes you look more confident. Stay vanilla, stay confident, and never dim your glow. Sleep on silk pillowcases, prevents hair breakage and keeps skin smooth. Eating clean equals glowing skin from the inside out. Still wondering how to smell good all day? Read this. Tongue scraping plus sipping warm water with lemon. Thank you for watching, Vanilla Babies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2. More secret glow up hacks coming your way. Cherry Blossom.